Let's go. All right, first fish of the day. They are biting right now.
Topwater?
It's the Wappa Ploppa. It's the baby Wappa Ploppa. Oh! Oh!
You're gonna need that.
Yeah, oh. Nathan, I don't have a paddle.
Be very, very careful.
He's fine.
Be very careful.
Ethan,
Don't worry.
the fish weight.
I know, I'm just, things can happen.
I got a gar. Ah! Ah!
I'm completely waterproof. You. Thank you.
Put it on.
What?
Gotta put your hat on backwards.
What I've learned is, yeah, you gotta wear your hat backwards. I look so goofy. You look pretty good. Yeah, get the hat flipped on backwards. Now you might be wondering, why am I wearing my GoPro on my head and not on my chest? Well, we're going on a little fishing adventure today. Right behind me, we got the Ravana. Should I say the name of it? Yeah, sure. Right behind me, I got the Ravana River. Ethan has been here in the past. He's like hyped it up so much. So today we're gonna see how many smallmouth we can catch. I'm thinking I can catch a 1-inch smallmouth.
Setting the bar low.
Yeah, set it low, and then when we hopefully, I'm not gonna say anything more, but plan for me is basically to throw a lot of topwaters. I only got one rod with me. Now what, is this a 7-mile float, 6-mile float? Yeah, that's the longest float I've ever done. Never kayaked in a moving river before, I don't think. So it's gonna be a first for me. Hope you guys enjoy. I've already launched in the water. Everyone else getting set up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull a 360 and get on out into the calm water. I'm leaning against this rock right now. It's been really friendly to me for the last 30 minutes, but I'm not here to lean against rocks. I'm trying to get on some smallie jaws. We got some rapids up front that just ride this nice and calm. Oh, that's a rock. That's a rock. Ah! Yeah, so by the end of this year, this kayak will be all scratched up and everything. Ah, it's so shallow here. No, we're gonna hit the bank. We're scratching bottom. Ow. I know some of you guys who kayak a lot more than me are probably just cringing very hard right now. Ethan, how are you able to stay still? Hey, what's up, guys? Flyberry. Did you bring your flies?
Yeah, I got.
Oh, nice. Yeah, hey, your life jacket. Nathan, your life jacket. I just see a floating life jacket. You know, a little paddle tail would probably kill right here. We gonna make it happen today? In reality, the smallmouth are like, nah, we're spawning. We're good. That'd suck. But there's gar in this river. There's smallie jaws. We don't know if there's largemouth or spots in here, but there's largies. Okay, you've caught a single largie. All right, cool. So we can catch some bass species today. And what I'm doing is I'm gonna try and work the tree lines. Anyways, today's bait is a mischief minnow. Basically, I reel it in, and this blade right here just pops against this bait and makes a clacking noise, which is pretty unique. If you guys want to pick one up, I'll have it linked down in the description. I've only caught like one fish on this since I got him pretty recently, but earlier I was throwing a bone color, but I decided since it's pretty sunny out, might as well go with something that has a little bit of a purple and darkish color. You like it so far? It goes fast. I have a sit-in kayak. Nathan has a sit on top. Let's go! All right, first fish of the day. They are biting right now.
Topwater?
It's the Wappa Ploppa. It's the baby Wappa Ploppa. Oh! Oh! What? What just happened? What is this? No! Get over here! Get over here! Dude, big largie, giant largie. Okay, oh, hit it right as I was not expecting it.
Dude.
Hit right at my boat.
Oh my gosh, that's
Am I recording? Yo, I don't know how well you saw that, but bro, that's on the Mischief Minnow. First fish of the day, gorgeous fish. I'm not gonna let this kayak go, but all right, let's dunk her back in. All right, girl, see you later. Thanks, man.
later. Oh, you're gonna need that.
Yeah, oh. Nathan, I don't have a paddle. What are you doing?
You don't need a paddle, don't worry about it.
Oh no. Nathan, I need my paddle. Oh, Nathan, why'd you do that, man? Bro, stop throwing everything at me. I have a feeling you did that on purpose, just to delay me. Ride the waves, baby. This handles this water really well. Nathan, don't die. Dude. All that for a fly. What a... I have a bunch of baby smallmouth eating at this thing. No, they're legit babies. They're the size of minnows, but they're smallmouth. I'm trying to get on a smallmouth today. Hey, I got one. I got one.
Oh god.
It's a smallie. Oh, almost hooked me in the hand. Hey, he's in my boat. He's under my seat. Wait. Is this a smallie? Oh wait, where'd he go? No, he's gone. There he is. No, it's a largie, little largie. All right, see you, buddy. Oh, that guy, I was worried that, oh, there he is. Oh, get over here, buddy. Is this a largie? Stop. Chill out. It's a stinking largie. I got a third largie. All right, well, see you, buddy. Yeah, Topwater's working, man. Topwater is working. Yeah, he's got a good one. Wow. All right, there we go. We're coming, Ethan. Good fish. Keep fighting. Keep the tension. Don't let it go slack. Wow, it is dragging him. Go. Bruh, you pulled him into the rapids. Holy cow, that's a nice smallie. Good fish, bro.
You wanna weigh it, but
Yes.
but do it quickly.
All right, we can lean against this.
Well, I need
We can lean it. It's all right. It's all good. Oh, he's belly up. Oh no.
He's all right.
He's still kicking.
All right.
No, but if he's gonna thrash, he's gonna thrash out of the net. So please be very, very careful.
He's fine.
Be very careful.
Ethan,
Don't worry.
the fish weight.
I know. I'm just. Things can happen.
Yeah, you'll be fine, Ethan.
That's just shy of 2.
191.
1-9. Woo!
191.
Well done. Yeah.
That is my PB smallmouth for sure. I mean, he's coming out of my hand.
Man, oh yeah.
There we go.
Well done. I got one. And my reel's not functioning, so I'm hand lining him. It's a smallie. Let's go. But I don't. I'm sorry, bud. I backlashed, and then yeah, it's a nice one. Beautiful colors. Hope you guys can see it. Let him go. Let him grow. Oh, how's your back feeling? Do you feel it?
It's actually my legs.
You see your legs?
A little bit of my back too.
Oh man. Update is we have all caught a smallmouth so far. It's going pretty well. We got how many miles left to fish? 2? 1? 2.5. 2.5. Yeah. Well, the smallie fishing is getting better as we move down, so Pretty excited. Ethan, what you find?
Power Ranger.
A Power Ranger.
In the river, just like that.
T-posing.
Yep.
Okay, I've never had Wendy's. Oh, I have a wake. Does Wendy's have good food?
Never been to a Wendy's?
Nope. What's at a Wendy's? Oh, gar! And I got a fish. And I got a fish. Dude, throw against the grass lines. It gets it done. Woohoo! Oh, chill, 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 chill. Chill out, bro. If you hook me, I'll eat you. I'll literally take you home and cook you up, okay? Got it? Okay? See, now he's all calm. Now he's not moving. That's what you gotta do with these fish. Just warn them a little bit. All right, see ya. Me and grass have a very good relationship. I always catch fish in it. Got some more grass here. I see some fish activity up there. And I got a Mike Bucca baby bull shad. There's one. Yep. Oh, gar! Gar! No way, I caught a gar. Bro, I got a gar. Ah! Ah! Well, there it is. Sick, baby bull shad. That's 3 species for this river. If I could describe how my lower back and knees feel, it's like a melting ice cream cone with also the cone all crushed up. Oh, I know it's a weird comparison, but I am craving a little bit of ice cream right now. Plan now is probably to go get some dinner, probably at Wendy's. I haven't had their burgers or fries ever, so that's gonna be another interesting experience. Quick recap of what happened today. Caught 4 species, couple gills, 2 smallies, which is awesome. That's the target species of today. And then 3 largemouth, and then the surprise species of the long-nosed gar. That's about it. I'm quite tired. I guess I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and as always, fish for the adventure.